Hello friends, this is Om Prakash. Welcome you all to Digital Marketing Tips YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to delete a business account from of your Facebook business account. To delete Facebook business account, we have to go to Meta Business Suite, and in this you can see this is the business account I want to delete, and we have to select the gear icon, settings icon, and then we have to select the business settings. Then you can see there are on the left side we have to again select click on business info. This is the business I have created this business account to show you how to delete the business account, and we have to click here permanently delete business. And here Google asks you what is the reason to delete the business manager. This action cannot be reversed. To help us improve, please tell us why you want to delete business manager. You can skip this step, or I can in this case I will use select the I want to manage my page and add accounts from my personal account. Then click next, and here the message will once you schedule for deletion it cannot be accessed. All pages, accounts and tools added to this business will return to their original or be deleted 24 hours. You have to read this thing and then click on next and type your password. Then click on submit. As you can see, business school has been scheduled for deletion. Click on done. In this way you can delete your business account from Facebook. If you like this video, please like and share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for listening. Thank you so much.